Hey everybody, it's Timmy O'Callahan again. So, I am doing the review on the Lego City Garage, garbage truck, sorry. And here we are, onto the figures. Here's the ma'am. She helps broom the other stuff. Blue hat. Here's the other guy. Blue hat. Still, they're wearing the same thing. There's the garbage cans. Start off with the green one. Here's the gray one. This is full of dirt. I won't. Maybe I'll unload it later. Maybe right now. Here we are. Crazy. There. Just put it over to the side. Here's the green one. Kind of lost the lid for it. Anyway, who needs it? It's gonna be full for the whole time anyway. Two fishes. I'll show you. Banana. Here's another fish. Here, now we're on to the main part of the set. I'm sorry, guys. It's pretty cool. A shovel and a broom. It moves really well on the wheels. Dumps. This is a really cool part of the set. I'll just do a fish. Maybe I'll put another one in. I'll just put the regular stuff. No problem. And there's this wheel and then the cool stuff pops up. Watch this. Dumps all the stuff in there. It's awesome. Just clip it on there. It's really cool. A lot of stickers. It was 208 pieces. That's a sticker. 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 And sticker. It's really cool. I'll show you the place where they drive. It's really cool. Big screen. Pretty guy in there right now. Oops, his hat. Right there. No, he's on this side. There we are. He fits well. There's my dad consequencing my sister because she really wants to drink the fish water. You could put her like this, like he's stepping on, he's punching the gas, and all you clip her onto that pole right there. Ah! Sorry. I'm sorry I'm wasting all my video. I'm not gonna do it right now. You can see. I'll show you on the back of the box though later. I'll show you the box now. Here's the box. it is pretty cool. Lego City, ages 5 through 12, number 4,432, Lego garbage truck, blah blah. There's that guy going to put the stuff away. And then there she is, just sweeping up the town. Show it in the back. Okay, I'll show you the comic strip. Oh, this is how I got all excited on Easter. Oh, there they are, just working up, and then they dump all the stuff in, and they dump it all out at the dump, and then they go home. Yeah? Okay, just taking a video. Sorry, that was my dad. There's other sets. The Lego car and caravan, ambulance, and a tow truck. Well, I think that's about everything, folks. It's really nice making this video. And remember, this is Timmy O'Callahan. We're hoping you to have a good day. Bye-bye.